We are going to be making a Talisker Clover Club. A bit of like a signature of mine when we've done pop-ups. So I always love having like big fruity fun vibes with scotch. And this is super yum and raspberries are delicious. So again, a wee bit of miracle foamer for fluff. Just keeps everything juicy. I feel like egg white has a tendency to dry things out. And it's a lot quicker and easier to work with. So that's kind of our go-to on the bar. Some sugar again. 15ml of that, and we're going to go in with 25ml of lemon, delicious, and then I have some lovely raspberries, some big fat raspberries. We're going to go in with 4 of these bad boys, delish, bosh, and then before we get to the main show, we have some Capriolis raspberry eau de vie. This is like the Chanel No. 5 of raspberries. It's Weapon, made by Barney. It's one of the most inspiring people I've ever met. Less is more with this. It's so compact. It's like 4-dimensional raspberry. It's awesome. So we're just going to do 1.25ml of that. Shout out Barney, you're a legend. Oh, that's a wee bit more. Sorry for spilling your juice, Barney. And then, last but not least, big, smoky, salty, malty Talisker 10. Just really harmonises beautifully with raspberry. And yeah, it's wicked. Cool. Now you could muddle your raspberries, but honestly, if you just give it a good enough hard shake, you do not need to. Smell it already. Alright. It's a good colour. A little cook. And just double strain it to get all those wee bits of raspberry out. Beautiful. Not in the sink, otherwise someone's going to shout at me. I'm going to coaster it. And with this sexy spray just on top to kill the bubbles. And for you, we have a Talisker Clover Club. Delicious, fruity, smoky, yummy.